Casio's G-Shock is a brand known for robust, rugged, durable timepieces that put a premium on affordable functionality. With all their watches being battery powered or solar charged, I think it's time we take a look at the first automatic G-Shock and all of its possibilities on today's installment of Chrono Concepts, only on the Time Teller channel. It is 1:49 p.m. Let's get down to business. So here I'd like to introduce you to the G-Shock Automaster. The movement would be a kinetic automatic, so a 72-hour power reserve with continuous charging thanks to that kinetic movement. The case would be stainless steel with protective resin coating, 47mm diameter, 16mm thick, a 200-meter water resistance rating, a sapphire crystal with AR coating. It'd have bold luminescent hour markers in hands. It'd have a date window, a sub-dial for an electronic altimeter, a digital display for altitude readings and mode settings, and the case back would be transparent, showcasing the automatic movement and kinetic energy generator. The strap would be resin, and it'd have some typical G-Shock features: an electronic altimeter, shock resistance, magnetic resistance, luminescent hands markers and potentially a backlight, a kinetic energy generator, and that overall G-Shock durability. The dimensions, as mentioned before, would be 47mm diameter, 16mm thick, with a 54mm lug-to-lug. So going over the specs, it sounds good, but why would anyone even want an automatic watch from G-Shock? Well, this conceptual G-Shock Automaster offers a unique blend of rugged durability, innovative power solutions, advanced features with a sophisticated design, and with its ability to withstand extreme conditions while providing precise altitude readings and continuous power. It stands out as a versatile and reliable timepiece for both G-Shock enthusiasts like myself and new customers seeking a high-performance watch with a mechanical movement. Now, all of this is well and good, but what's stopping G-Shock from producing something like this in the first place? Well, I have 5 reasons. The integration of an automatic movement with kinetic energy generation and an electronic altimeter could significantly increase the development and production costs. Ensuring that all these components work seamlessly together while maintaining G-Shock's rugged durability would require complex engineering and extensive testing. G-Shock is primarily known for its digital quartz watches that emphasize shock resistance and advanced electronic features, so introducing a mechanical component might not really align with the brand's core identity. And speaking to that, existing G-Shock customers may just prefer the simplicity and reliability of a quartz movement. So again, adding mechanical components may just lead to a mismatch in expectations. There may just be a limited demand for a hybrid kinetic automatic watch within G-Shock's target market, which typically values digital functionality and affordability. Kinetic automatic movements could be tough, and I feel confident that G-Shock could find a way to house them properly and safely, but to put it simply, a mechanical movement could never withstand the same amount of shock and water resistance as a simple quartz panel. And the final drawback that might lead G-Shock to kind of stray away from something like this would be the price. With all factors considered, with all the components and all the testing, I could estimate this watch would cost anywhere from $1,800 to $2,500, and I'm just not sure there's a strong enough demand for that price tag. But what do you think? Is this ever going to come to fruition, or is this G-Shock Automaster hybrid kinetic automatic just another Chrono concept? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time, I just tell it.